I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change Fahrenheit to Celsius in Google Pixel Easy Method. Open Settings and scroll to System, then tap Languages and Input. Find the Units or Temperature option, choose Celsius, and confirm the change. Your weather and temperature displays will update immediately across apps that follow system units. If an app uses its own setting, adjust that app directly for consistent Celsius readings on your device. Open Settings and use the search field to type units or temperature for a fast route. Tap the system result labeled Languages and Input or Units, depending on your Pixel model. Choose Celsius as the preferred temperature unit and back out of settings to apply it. Most apps will follow the system unit right away, and you can always reopen settings to switch back to Fahrenheit if needed. This keeps temperature displays consistent across your phone. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: books read anywhere with the new Kindle Paperwhite. It's great for checking temperature conversions and reading manuals while traveling. I've placed a link and some deals in the description so you can learn more. Thanks for the support, and now let's get back to the video. If an app still shows Fahrenheit after changing system units, open that app settings and switch units there too. A quick restart often forces all apps to refresh their displayed units. Also check for system updates in settings if the units option is missing or behaves oddly. If the option remains unavailable, consult the app developer or Google support for model-specific guidance so you can reliably see Celsius everywhere on your Pixel.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.